Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy whole wheat burger buns. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So let's get started. In a bowl, I have taken like 3 cups of whole wheat flour. I've taken my yeast, I've taken sugar, salt, then I added butter, and now I'm adding water and milk. So make sure the milk and water you don't add too much. Just add little by little. So if you want now, you can mix this with a beater how I did it, or you can use your hands to knead the dough and then keep adding water or milk till the dough is become soft and nice. You can use oil if you like, but I prefer butter. It gives a nice softness to the dough if you are using whole wheat. Then I'm going to just knead it a little bit more and proof it for around 1 hour. Make sure that in a bowl you've added butter or greased it well with oil. I've sprinkled some water so that the skin also does not form, and cling wrapped it and kept it like for an hour. You can keep it max to max 2 hours also if you like, till it just becomes double in size. So once it's double in size, you can punch it down, and I've just kneaded it again little bit really well. Once that is done, I've rolled my dough into a log and cut it into like equal proportions. So for one bun, I've used approximately 60 to 62 grams of dough for each bun, but you can take accordingly how you like. But the size that I've made, 60 grams is fine. So now we're going to roll it into a burger bun. So I've taken, just do it the way I have done in this video and you'll get the perfect buns. Just make sure that the sides are closed properly and you roll it really well so that you don't get any like marks on it. Once that is done, I put everything in a baking tray. My baking tray, either you can add like a parchment paper, but I greased it with butter really well, and make sure that you keep it in an equal distance. Then I just added my milk wash, but you can add egg wash if you like. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of it. And also this also has to be rested for around half an hour, and then you can bake it at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes till they're nice and golden and they're baked very well. So you can see how perfect these burger buns have come out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe.